Here are the list of 5 best yoga apps.
1.
Number 1. The most extensive library for yoga, Pilates and meditation. Glow. Here are some good points of this one. Offers Pilates and meditation in addition to yoga. 3,800 plus classes available. Programs available for long-term practices. Here are some bad points of this one. Premium subscription is a must in order to use. Performance issues on Android platform. You can check out the link in description box.
2.
Number 2. Best for beginners learning the basics. Daily yoga. Here are some good points of this one. Access to 500 plus asanas for beginners. Smart coach to help you pick your classes. Community support. Here are some bad points of this one. Free version has lots of ads. UI and navigation aren't the most intuitive. You can check out the link in description box. Also, if you are enjoying it, then please like this video.
3.
Number 3. High intensity yoga workouts. Asana Rebel. Here are some good points of this one. Combines yoga with high-intensity training for a stronger workout. Resources on how to train, eat and sleep better. Access to moving meditations. Here are some bad points of this one. Free offering appears to become more limited over time. Limited use with casting workouts onto large screen devices. You can check out the link in description box.
4.
Number 4. Customized sessions. Yoga Studio Mind and Body. Here are some good points of this one. Quick and easy to create fully custom practices. Library of 280 poses with images, instructions, benefits and more. Options to practice by teacher instruction, pose name or chime sound. Here are some bad points of this one. Limited ready-made yoga classes and meditations. No free offering after 7-day trial is up. You can check out the link in description box.
5.
Number 5. Offline yoga anytime. Pocket yoga. Here are some good points of this one. Access to over 200 images with built-in dictionary of instructions and benefits. No need to be connected to the internet or use data. Ability to play music from your own music library while practicing. Here are some bad points of this one. Small library of sessions compared to other apps. Previously free, now $3 to $4 depending on platform. You can check out the link in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the red subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel.